In this video, we're going to show you how to install shaders on Minecraft. So there's many ways, but the easiest way is just to use CurseForge. Most people use CurseForge. You can do the manual route, which is it's very tedious to do. You need to go to a website, and sometimes a lot of Minecraft websites are shady. CurseForge is the easiest and safest way to do so. So what you want to do is click on Browse, right? And here you need to click on mod packs because these are all mod packs. So click on this, a drop down will appear. Click on shaders. In shaders, you're going to see all the shaders that are available. And if you want to know, these are the featured ones. And as you can see, complementary shaders reimagined, it has 6.1 million downloads. Complementary shaders unbound has over 14 million downloads. And these have been recently updated. So these are active shaders. So very easy, just click install. Click create a new profile. Say for this video, shaders. Create. So we just need, again, it's fine, right? Click on play. Let's see if this doesn't, do the error thing, because error code 1 is a plague in the Minecraft community. Some shaders work, some assets work, some don't. It's just you just need to figure out which ones are viable. So let's see. Can load this properly. Wait for it to load. Since this is the first time this is going to be loaded, it's going to be a bit, longer. That's just how things work. And as you can see, there you go. Let's see if it works. Yeah, as you can see, it's not working. Let's wait for it to fully load and see what type of shader this is. All right.
Press enter to enable the narrator.
It's just
narrator off.
That's off. Yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. See you on the next one.